Have you ever read a travel blog and thought that you could write a travel blog? You can turn your own travel adventures into captivating stories and also earn money. This course will give you all the key elements to becoming a skilled travel writer or blogger. You'll start by learning what travel writing and blogging are, then discover the different types of travel writing to find your perfect style. This course will also help you decide if you want to pursue travel writing as a profession by exploring the benefits and key components of excellent travel writing. Next, you'll receive practical guidance on choosing destinations, planning budgets, interacting with local cultures, and taking helpful notes while traveling. Besides, you will learn how to set up your travel blogging platforms, avoid common mistakes that can ruin your stories, and read real-life case studies of successful travel bloggers. You'll also master the structure of compelling travel writing, learn how to craft engaging stories, and understand the crucial difference between telling and showing in your writing. This course teaches you how to sell and market your work, from editing your pieces professionally to crafting strong pitches and contacting publishers or editors. Let your words transport readers to the mesmerizing places you've explored. Enroll now.